Compared sa mga ibang BHA toners, guys, na gabi mo lang pwedeng gamitin, itong product na to. So, let's start with this one, guys. This is from Oxycure. Ito yung kanilang Blackhead Clearing BHA PHA toner. Ang retail price ito ay 599 pesos and ang content amount ay 150 ml. A little bit goes a long way lang po sa toner na to. And sa mga gustong itry itong product na to para makatipid, mag-abang po kayo kapag malapit na ang 2-2, 3-3 ganyan, or on the day talaga guys, ng for example 2-2 ganyan. Kasi nagba-buy one take one po itong toner na to. And nung Pasko guys, I noticed na ang mga mall like SM ganyan, Watsons, nagpapabuy one take one din. So, ang laki ng matitipid mo kung sakaling masaktuhan mo. This is made in Thailand, guys. And what I like about this toner is the combination of BHA and PHA, which means it exfoliate without being too harsh. And compared sa mga ibang BHA toners, guys, na gabi mo lang pwedeng gamitin, itong product na to, you can use both day and night. But don't forget na during daytime, mag-apply po tayo ng sunscreen para hindi masunog ang ating face, okay? And sa mga hindi pa po familiar sa toner na to, this is dermatologically tested, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, guys. And this is best for those sa may mga oily, acne-prone, and congested skin kasi meron po itong 2% BHA. So overall, guys, I can highly recommend this toner and this is a great option if you're looking for something na effective yet gentle enough for regular use.